Well, what have we got here? So I thought I'd treat myself to a curling wand. Never used one of these before. I've used for so many years to curl my hair a Braun cordless gas operated set of tongs. So I thought I'd try and get with the current day and give one of these bad boys a little go. So I bought this from Aldi of all places. It was a special buy, and I think originally it was £19.99, reduced to £16.99. So of course I have made a little purchase. Right, let's see what's in it. I've not used this before, so this could end up being a bit of a disaster, but let's learn together. Okay, right, so this is a Remington Professional Silk Curling Wand, and it says it's a professional curling wand for soft and silky curls. 30 seconds fast heat up, a digital display of 120 to 220 degrees. Crikey, that's hot. It's got a silk ceramic coating for silky smooth results, and a conical barrel for luxurious spiral curls. Gosh, that's a lot, isn't it? Right, what do we get in this this box? Let's have a look. Okay, set of instructions. I presume that's a guarantee. Yes. Oh, what's this? Ooh, just the one glove. A random. Oh, I bet that's for when your hair gets a bit hot or the barrel well, not that you touch the barrel, but let me just move you a bit closer. It's quite a nice glove, shame it's not true. Right. Oh, here we go. Da-da-da-da. It's in a nice little silk pouch. Here it is. With a very long lead. I think it said, let me just check on the box what that said. A 3 metre salon length swivel cord. Look at that. I suppose that's when you start going like that, isn't it? Right, okay. Let me just get hold of a heat-proof mat that I got from Home Bargains. Hang on a sec. So it means I can get it out. Okay. This was on one of my other hauls, a Home Bargains haul. It's not very big, but it's a heat-proof mat just for this occasion. Perfect. Right, I'll pop that down at the side of my iPad. And let's plug this beauty in. Gosh, I don't know what that... Oh, that bit's... You'd have thought you'd get a heat mat with it, wouldn't you, really? Unless you're supposed to balance it on that. It's not very wide. That's not really helpful, is it? Oh, it's got a little bit of a stand. Wow. Wow, wow. Right, okay. Let's... Oh, God, this could end up getting disastrous. You see me burning my carpet here. I need to be careful, concentrate. Okay. Ooh. Actually, on my dressing table where I'm filming this from, I have got a glass top. I'm just a bit worried it's going to fall off and hit on the carpet. Oh God. Hang on. I might need to just do a bit of manoeuvring. Hang on a second. Let's get the glove. Right. Oh, hang on. Oh. Sorry. Right, that's a bit more space now. Let's plug it in. There's a power switch and a plus and minus. So let's... Oh, here we go. Turned it on with the power switch. And it's gone on at 180 degrees. Just warming up. You can see that there. 3 bars. So, does it actually tell you when it's fully hot? Oh, yeah, it's getting hot. Ooh, yeah, beauty. That is hot. Flipping heck. Ooh. Right, okay. I need to concentrate now. Okay, I've not got anything on my hair. I'm thinking, should I put some sort of heat protection on? Because that's quite hot. Let me see if I can find some. Look what I've got here now. Never used this before either. It's like a virgin voyage for everything tonight. VO5 Heat Protect Spray. Can't remember where I had this from. Wilkinson's, I think. Unleash the beast. Oh, oh my God. It's a bit suspect. Oh. Sorry for any younger viewers. Oh dear. Oh, there we go. Spraying better now. Oh, that smells nice. Oh, that's a very nice spritz. Bloody hell. Right, comb it through. Ooh. It's quite a good chance for me to use this because I've bought it and not even tried it yet. So this is a Heat Protect spray for an ultra glossy finish up to a 230°C heat defence. So we're in luck. Right, I'm going to put this on as well just in case. Not taking any chances. God, I hope it doesn't fry my hair off. Flipping heck. Right, ooh, ooh. So it's up to, I've kept it at 180, but it's dropped one of the bars, so I don't know what that means. Let's give this a go. Blimey. Good. Right, let's get this little strand. Okay, so, you see the thing I normally use, in fact I'll get it out so you can have a look. Good old fashioned gas wand. This has a clip on it so you can grab and twist, which is a lot easier. In fact, I don't know why I don't just carry on using this. I've just read a lot about these ones, so I thought I'd just give them a go. Because it was a bit of a bargain Aldi for us. I thought, why not? Love a bit of Aldi. Right, okay. Do you go top to the bottom or bottom to the top? I'm not sure. Oh, God, did you hear that? Oh, God, that sounds awful. I'm thinking the glove needs to be on the other hand. Because... Hang on, let's start again. Oh, let me start again. That's not really helpful holding that, is it? I need that in my hand. Flipping out. Look at that beauty. That's not bad. Right, start again now. Okay. Take 2, Michael Jackson. Wrong colour glove though, to be fair. Right, okay, so. Oh, that's cool, that bit there. Yeah, let's do that again. Right, okay, so can't remember what to do. Top to the bottom. Oh, hang on. Oh, crikes. These things aren't easy, are they? Oh, I'm getting all hot. Right, top, twist. Right, so the barrel is thicker at one end and thinner at the other. See, I think this might be easier if you do it on somebody else. Oh my God, look at this. I'm not doing very well here. There must be a bit of a technique to this. Right, okay. I think I'm just a bit scared of getting my finger burnt. Ah, that doesn't help. But that is just a normal glove. That is ridiculous. It's not even a heat glove. Crikey. Well, there's another curl though. It's quite effective. Let's go for a bit more. Top. The difference between this and the other curling one that I've got, you can sort of move it about on the barrel, whereas once you get wedged in the gas one that I just showed you, you're sort of trapped in what you're doing, because once that traps you in, you can't move, whereas this, you can sort of slide it up and down. The only thing is, you're not catching the end there. I suppose you can pop that back on and sort of do that maybe. Yeah, that sort of catches it. Right, I'm sure as I get a bit more experienced at this, I'll get better. Right, let's go again. Okay, top. And the closer, the thinner end you get, the tighter the curl. Oh, yeah, they're a bit what I might call sporadic. It's quite cute, I suppose. I think I'm going to go for a bit more of this. Ooh. So actually, I know I'm making it look a bit difficult, but it is quite easy to use. And I suppose the more practice you get, the better you get. Right, so let's go this way. Right, ooh, it's just getting that little end bit in there. It's difficult. Ah, right, so the very end of the barrel there, just pull that out, there, doesn't have any heat in it. Ah, I've just realised. Okay, so that's not got heat in it, and it's got like a little dent. Can you see that? So you can hold on to that. That one's not very good. Let's try it again. Let's try this big fat one, fat piece of hair. Right. Right, so get to the end. Hold it there. I'm not sure how long you're supposed to hold it for. Probably if I read the instructions it might tell me. Till it gets too hot maybe. I think practice might make perfect on this one. I'm not giving up though. It's alright just for a few random curls. Not sure if I'd do my whole head. I've done a thing called headband curls. I've done a video on that, and that is a really great way to get corkscrew curls without any heat damage. Oh, there we go, that's better. Look at that beauty. That is much better. Right, okay. Obviously just not very experienced at using this. Right, I've accidentally knocked it down to 170, but I think for me, I wonder if I could go a bit lower. 130, let's see if that curls the same. Because obviously the more heat you put through the hair, the more damage you're causing. But I dare say the curls will probably last a bit longer. So it's sort of finding that compromise that you've got enough heat to curl your hair, but it needs to have enough staying power. Ooh. Okay. You see I've missed that bit again at the end there. Oh no, it's still curling, so that's at 130 now. I think I need to perfect the art of this, so I may post this just as a first trial. But I need to use it a few more times before I actually post it as a proper tutorial, because you're not going to be very impressed with the effort I've done today, are you? Let's be fair. So my verdict on that so far, work in progress. Anyway, thanks for watching. I think it's got potential, because look, you've got a couple here. There are some nice curls. That's lovely, that one. Look at that. I just need to work out how to use it properly. So I think what I'm going to do is leave it here for now, because you're probably a bit bored. I shall come back once I've mastered the art of the Remington silk curling wand, come back and do a proper tutorial on it.